Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your PayPal account name. First, you'll need to log into your PayPal account through a web browser, as this feature isn't available on the mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to your settings by clicking the small gear icon usually found in the top right corner. On the settings page, you'll see your current name displayed. Click on the Change Name option right beside it to begin the process. PayPal categorizes name changes into three main types. You can make a minor correction, like fixing a small typo of up to 2 characters, which usually doesn't require any documents. For more significant changes, such as a legal name change due to marriage or divorce, you'll need to provide official proof. If you're updating a business account, specific business registration documents will be necessary to reflect the new legal business name. When making a legal name change, gathering the correct documents is crucial. You'll need to upload a clear, valid government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or passport. Additionally, provide legal proof of your name change, such as a marriage certificate, a divorce decree, or a court order. It's vital that these documents are legible and match your new name exactly. Remember to upload them in a common format like PDF, JPG, or PNG. After selecting your type of name change and preparing your documents, follow the on-screen prompts to securely upload them. Once submitted, PayPal's team will review your request. This process usually takes about 3 to 5 business days, but sometimes it might take a little longer. Keep an eye on your PayPal message center for any updates or notifications regarding the status of your name change. You'll receive a confirmation once it's complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.